Now, that's not the only way to rescale the absolute value creation chart. We can also divide everything by equity value change, or the difference between invested and realized capital. In this domain, value creation is always 100%, and the value drivers always sum to this number. This is basically taking a pie chart view of value creation like we see here. However, value drivers are often negative, and I don't like to put negative numbers into a pie chart. 10% of a 360-degree circle should always have an angle of precisely 36 degrees, and that's not the case when you mix in negative numbers. So for relative value creation, I prefer a value bridge like we showed before, or a chart like this one. Here, total value creation is always 100%, and the chart makes it clear that EBITDA growth and multiple expansion add up to the unlevered return and the leverage effect add up to the isomeric return, and the isomeric return and fund ownership impact add up to the GP's gross return. Now, some of these charts can be a bit tricky to build, but if you go to the website on this episode's page, you can download an Excel file that has a template for each one.